Here we are in the backyard today. It's a cloudy day, and during their digging they found a piece of wood. It was a root from the tree that had died years ago, and they dug it up. Oh, Rocky found a little piece himself. Sylvie won't let me take it away from her. She usually runs off when I try and get close to her. Just like that. I'd play fetch with her if she'd let me, but whoops. She just wants to run with it. Time to go tinkle. And every time that Sylvie goes tinkle, Rocky has to go over there and sniff around, and usually goes tinkle to the same spot, but and there he goes. Same spot. You can see her gentle leader headgear harness is on. We put it on every day just to try and get her used to it. So she's doing pretty good. She still tries to roll around and rub it off once in a while, but the more she wears it, the better she gets. Oh, neighbor across the water. Come here, Rocky. Hey, Sylvie. Sylvie. Well, I'm going to end the video then. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're back and we're going outside in the rain. There you go, Sylvie and Rocky. They were both whining like they wanted to go out. Let's see if they're gonna. Yep, Sylvie's got to go potty. Rocky just wants to chew on a stick. Bring him in a little closer there. Sylvie likes to drink water from the downspout from the rain. Rocky, you guys just gonna play in the rain? You gonna walk around the rain? Sylvie. Yeah, Rocky's gonna come get his drink. Well, maybe not. The rain, I'm trying to stand underneath, but the rain is coming in towards me. That lovely rain. Rocky ran way over there by that's a little orange tree. It's not growing very fast. These are called Christmas palms, and they have these little seeds, and they fall down, and the dogs love to try to eat them. And Rocky's over there doing his business, so come on, Rocky. I think he's finished. Let's go in. Let's go in the house. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on, puppers. Come on, in the house. Let's go. Okay, there's Sylvie. Come on, Rocky. There's the rock star.